How's it going, everyone? I didn't plan on doing a voiceover in this video, but the cleats my brother's wearing sound like nails on a chalkboard. So instead of y'all's eardrums exploding, I'm gonna just do a voiceover and play some music behind it, let you guys know what's going on. We're in sunny Florida, and we're gonna be quartzing the back patio of this beautiful home that overlooks the bay. The quartz we're going to be using on our color chart is called blue-gray. It's a mixture of light blues and grays. And we're going to be broadcasting the quartz into a gray pigmented epoxy. As always with epoxy, you're going to pour it out into a ribbon. One guy's going to magic trowel, squeegee it out, while the other guy back rolls with a roller. You always want to make sure you're laying down enough epoxy to when you start to broadcast the quartz that you leave yourself enough room that you don't roll back over the quartz, because if that happens, the quartz will all clump together and then you're just creating more problems for yourself. We always recommend doing a double broadcast. This is the first broadcast or the first coat. I went ahead and sped up the video for time's sake. So after the first coat has been applied, we'll come back the next day when it's all cured up and we'll sweep the leftover quartz that didn't stick into piles and then vacuum that all up. And then we repeat the process after the second coat before we apply the sealer. If you never worked with quartz before, the static electricity is always fun when vacuuming it up. Then to wrap it all up, we apply the top coat. We're using a product called Surecrete's Super 30. It's an acrylic sealer and it's great for sealing outdoor areas when moisture is involved, such as rain or here in Florida, getting in and out of the pool. We use a chip brush and a 4-inch roller for cutting in the edges. And then we roll on the second coat with a 9-inch roller. And we always apply 2 coats of sealer.
Where you been? I fucking got fucking my dragon was born. I'm a number one dad, yeah? Girl dad, just like Kobe.
If you liked the video, please consider subscribing. It helps out a lot. Thank you, and as always, have a great day.